This is one of my failed masks. Notice how it stretches the long way. You don't want that. You want it to stretch the short way, that way it can fit over your big melon. Cut out 2 of these shapes and then lay them together. Then I just used regular sewing pins to secure all the way around it. I used backstitch to secure these 2 pieces together. Backstitching is difficult, but I will try my best to explain it. I start by putting the needle in one side of the fabric. It doesn't matter. Then I take it a fourth of an inch, then I pull it a fourth of an inch forward, and then I insert it halfway between the exit and entry points. Then I go a fourth of an inch, go back halfway, and between the 2 entry points and the exit points, and I do this over and over and over again. If you need a better tutorial, go look one up on the internet. I did this along the entire perimeter of the fleece, except for the bottom. I put the mask on, and then mark over my eyes with the silver Sharpie. It doesn't have to be silver, whichever Sharpie you have, but mark over your eyes. Then I just use my scissors and cut 2 little slits for my eyes. Make them a lot smaller than you need them to be because you'll thank me later. You can always make them bigger, but you cannot make them smaller. Moving on to the lenses. I have these welding goggles here that I got pretty cheaply off of Amazon, but I found them at stores before, so just go look around at your local hardware store, you could probably find them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them apart and then weather them a little bit. I'll show you the process in a montage. I weathered them using acrylic paints. I used a dry brush method. I've mentioned it in videos before, so you could go check those out or go look up a tutorial on YouTube. I cut off the cord of an old mouse. I'm going to use this for embellishments on the lenses. I don't know the exact length, but I cut out these little pieces of the mouse cord, and I am now gluing them on to the lenses. After I glued them on, I did a bit more weathering, and I painted silver around the bases of the wire to make it look like it had been soldered on there. I traced out the glass circles that came with my welding goggles onto cereal box cardboard. I also traced the glass circles onto cardstock, drew what I wanted the eyelid part of the lenses to look like, cut them out, glued the layers together, painted them black, and then inserted them into the mask. The white mesh you see there is, I think it's latch hook mesh from Michaels, but I don't know what it's actually called. That's what I use, but you can use whatever you have. Then I used super glue to attach the wires in place. I attached the lenses using hot glue to the mask. You can use other stuff, but I used hot glue.
Hello viewer, thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy that you watched this video. It'll hopefully be up. I don't know when it'll be up because I'm lazy and oh my gosh, I'm almost completely Spiderman from Homecoming and it's exciting. I'm gonna need to get socks because I don't have them yet and I need to get them, and then the costume will be finished and I'm just like, I hope to wear this to Infinity War with my friend, but I don't know if we actually will go on opening day. I could wear it to Black Panther, but that wouldn't make any sense because Spider-Man isn't black in Black Panther. Spider-Man isn't in Black Panther, but whatever. I feel so cool right now. I probably should have put some of the anti-fog stuff on these because they're fogging up and I can't see you anymore. I was able to see you, but now I can't. So this is what the mask looks like without the hood. Yeah, here's it is with the hood up. If you'd like to see a video on the whole costume, this bit right here, the body, check out my channel. I don't know if it'll be uploaded, whichever one is uploaded first. If it goes fast, I'll upload both of them tonight. If you want videos on the web shooters, check out my channel. And the gloves, check out my channel. I actually have 2 web shooter videos. Check out this. This is actually my second mask that I made. My first. It's really cringy. Insert a clip of it here. This is Spider-Man, yo! Thanks for watching, and remember that I love you, but Jesus loves you more. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Peter Parker, but I'm Elton. I'm gonna show you a demonstration of me putting this on. a dream of mine since I was a kid. Why did I decide this was a good idea? Kill me now, please. I hate this thing. Go back to where you belong. Demon.